What's going on, everyone out there? You already know who it is. Executive Director Rakeem Love, Live and Prosper TV. We just left a great packed out event where our mentor, Senior Vice President Chad Thompson came down and completely shut it down, guys. This is not a game, guys. We're out here making it happen, changing lives, showing people how to retire within the next 3 to 5 years if you're serious. Now, if you don't believe it, I'm gonna actually give the floor to a guy who actually is already retired at the age of 25 to go ahead and drop some knowledge on us.
First of all, Mr. Love, I just want to thank you for allowing me to come to your event. As you can see, there's so many successful people just networking all over who just decide to hang around and talking about their future. You know, so I just want to give it up to God, because without God, there will be no opportunity. I would still be in corporate America. You know, I started in corporate America at 18. If it wasn't for this opportunity, I would be there until I'm 65. Like some of you guys who's not getting this free information, you're going to be at your job for the next 30 years. And we're still going to be doing this. We're just going to be looking a whole lot better. We're going to be in a whole nother island. But we want you to come. So we're about to close out things here. We're going to live free, get with Mr. Love, and you absolutely deserve to live the #1 lifestyle, which is waking up when you're done sleeping. If you want to learn how to do that, get with my man, Mr. Love. We throw up the 5 because it means something, and he can tell you what that means when you get with him.
Most definitely, guys. Well, we thank you for sharing this time with us, guys. We'll see you either at the beach, at the bank, or at the Bentley dealership. That's the only place you're going to catch us. It's Live and Prosper TV checking out.